Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use KuCoin in Canada. While KuCoin offers a vast selection of over 700 cryptocurrencies, direct Canadian dollar deposits are not available for users. The most effective way for Canadians to access KuCoin's extensive trading options involves using an intermediary exchange to fund your account. This ensures you can participate in the global crypto market and explore many unique digital assets. To get started, you will first need to acquire some cryptocurrency on a Canadian-friendly platform. Exchanges like Newton, ShakePay, or Wealthsimple Crypto allow you to easily convert your Canadian dollars into digital assets. It is wise to choose a stablecoin such as USD or USC, or a low-fee option like XLM to minimize transfer costs before moving funds. Once you have acquired your chosen cryptocurrency on a Canadian platform, the next step is to transfer it to your KuCoin account. First, find the correct deposit address for that specific cryptocurrency within your KuCoin wallet. Double-check the address carefully, then initiate the transfer from your Canadian exchange. This process usually takes only a few minutes to complete. With your funds successfully transferred, you are now ready to explore KuCoin's extensive trading pairs, offering hundreds of unique altcoins. When you wish to withdraw, simply reverse the process. Transfer your cryptocurrency back to your Canadian-friendly exchange, where you can then convert it into Canadian dollars and withdraw to your bank account.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.